Looking to trade your vehicle for the updated version? Before you start shopping, go to TiptonFord.com and value your trade-in. We make it easy with a 3-step process that only takes a couple of minutes. So when you're on TiptonFord.com, hover your mouse over the Finance tab, go down to Value Your Trade, and just enter in the requested information. Say you have a 2020 Ford Escape. Scroll down until you see your make and model. Enter in the mileage and your zip code. Click on any additional options it may have, and then enter in your information. Click in your next vehicle that you wish to have, and then what trim level you are looking for. There is your trade-in estimated value, and if you scroll down, you're even able to print this page and bring it to the dealership. Once you have your estimated trade-in value, bring it to Tipton Ford. We'll help you get in your next favorite thing on wheels. Buying a vehicle is fast, easy, and convenient at TiptonFord.com. Be sure to follow our social channels too for more Tipton tips on how you can spend less, drive more.